What's up my people? Welcome back to the channel. Leave a like and also subscribe. Click the top bell icon to get notified whenever there's anything new on the channel. So we have some things my people, like Annie and her man back together. So Annie just up well trash out this evening in a full suit of white. Figure link her man in a town right now. The two of them must lock down. Yes, what I say. So, me tell you, say, me don't know how the relationship are going on with people, because this time them argue, the next time them good. Yes, what I say. It's like them hot and cold right through. You see me? So, me I go make you know hear what Annie have to say. You know what I mean? And why me people? Me don't know. Me don't know if you say. Me never see a relationship so toxic yet in my life, unless them a do it for clout, them a do it for the hype, them a do it for gain followers, whatever. You see me never see a relationship so toxic before. Wanna tell me what you think in the comment section. You see me? Also my people, we have Pampute away in and the whole Shana Chin situation, because I don't know if Shana Chin gone viral from Bodia, and Shana Chin go drop a song, cause some people have a style, right? If somebody accuse you about something or call you a certain name, if you do it to yourself, like if you call yourself certain name, the name of them a call you, it's like you kinda kill them all angle with them have over you. Seeing? So through everybody I thought Shana Chin and her something or underneath and Ray and this and that. Seeing? And I thought about the man them what she do with and Ray. She go do a song. Open for kinda kill out everybody we are say anything about her, like not give them nothing to have over she, cause she has said. You understand? People have it, I think them use the term like Eminem yourself. I remember Eminem in a move where him do or him talk about himself, so him not give the people them nothing to talk about him and disrespect him when them a rap battle. Yes. So I guess Shana Chin find a style and jump in it and do a song. You know what I mean? I see her something confused. So we can say Shana Chin something confused, cause she come said see her something confused. You know what I mean? But she deal with cause wicked in that song that's still in our people. But me a stray from the topic at hand. Yes, so Pampute have some things to say about Shana Chin and how she introduced Shana Chin to some people, and Shana Chin go behind her back and try to disrespect she with the people them, and one bag of something people, like she a say yo everything will happen to her a karma, because money and likes that she love, money and likes are main thing that, you understand, and at that I go be the demise of she, and that is the demise of she in a way, cause if it wasn't for money and likes she wouldn't go there with Gulliver. But more want to hear what she have to say. She and the next youth up on the live. Me no remember what the youth the name. Me no remember what him name, man. But it's a youth who popular, and the youth I say him not like Shana Chin none at all. You see me? As a man, low woman argument. You see me? So yeah. Let me see if me left out none, my people. Yes, me have this Rochelle now, my people. Rochelle have some things to say about everything what go on with her, cause she make a talk on her thing about, you know what I mean, the church where she go on, Ray, and some things, you know what I mean. I think she later on apologized to her pastor and other members and Ray, but me I gonna make her hear what she have to say now. You see me? Why people didn't hear do something to Rochelle still, you know, didn't hear turn Rochelle in a bad girl era right now. You see me I say, yeah, she in a bad girl era right now. You see me? It's like she not hold the meds. Certain way with people, she not hold the meds. That's all we can say. So we could kick it off, maybe add more things as we go on. So we could get in it.
You know, say me a company thing to come say something.
Alright, go and do it.
Me see Shana Chin a ball.
A ball for her?
You know, like, you know, she break down like everybody depanar or whatever. And them look a thing there. But things have to be like that because them not real. And when they have real people around them do different things.
Right.
When real people around them do different things. And them not no soul. So them never find a peace.
No, but if you live a certain life, you have to expect certain things come with it.
She not have no peace. Can you know why she not have no peace? Her waist them she have she not clean. She not good.
Yo, I can't stand her, yo.
And I don't hate her, I just hate the ways them. I never scan her or nothing yet. Never. I don't deal with her no way. The girl come around, and when she come around, we did it. I introduce her to my link, and then she just go behind my back. Gone to my link and gone do a different thing. I said some different thing. And she was say to my link, say here are to my link. Come put a good girl, you know. I never see she come around, Joe them yet come for my link or nothing. But yet still me a good girl and you burn me behind my back. And I tell my link for send for her and this and that. She said my black I'm in a deal with her, I'm in a talk to her. Look here. That's when I run down money and hype and fame and do anything for money and hype, and that's the result you get. Right. Because if the hype never they run gully back and you have the money or nothing never go on, you would have never be running. So exactly. You put it now and you gotta do something where you can't get rid of.
Exactly. I mean,
you cannot get rid of it.
Every time I see her,
because them not no soul. Them dead and them not no soul. No soul them not have. Them not. Yo, me tell you something. I have to stop this for talk. I have to stop this for talk. My dad didn't comment. But I have to talk. I want to share the live. May I tell you, say. Me I tell you, Dana Chin not have no soul. She burn anybody for money and anything. In a COVID, me and this girl here, they are escort student, escort my brethren.
Right.
And we did it with her. We not show her no bad face. We not scan her. She not have to give you no money if you like her. She not have to buy nothing for nobody. No, just show her love.
Right.
And she did it with we. We have vice and everything. You know, when I see she a ball and I see the people that bring her down, she can't stop getting bring down. Because they're real, they're not a soul. Them burn real people for anything and everything. Them will do anything for staying at the spotlight and the hype. She's a nice girl and she can't get no man. Oh, you left from Joe. Forgot away. What do you name? Oh, you left from Joe, you're one of the richest man in Jamaica.
Yeah.
We'll give you Benz for drive. You get anything where you want. You live in a good house. You have your good son. You have your little son. And you make every little boy play tita-toe, marble, ludi, and gigging in your pussy. And you have your son. Shana Chin, the reason why I'm come out and me attack, you hurt me. You hurt me. I'm show you nothing about love and you hurt me. When we see a ball and you go and you have to get that. You have to get it because real people, you burn them. The people that must show you love when you have to pay the money for. For look, I guess what she walk and buy love. Because two people that really rate her, she walk and buy love. Oh, you reach from Joe to cause. To cause promote your pussy so and disrespect you. So, oh, you reach there, so. Girl, you need to find God. You need to find God and fix your soul. Your soul is not right.
I can't believe what you tell me right now.
What you mean by you can't? Me say, youth, yo, the girl, go build to my link and me introduce her to the link because I want she vice and the dog gonna get a piece of food for vice, you know, COVID. Nothing now go on, so me introduce her to my people for she know she do go behind my back. And link the man, call him and tell him and say the man for send for her for come to Canada. And him for send for she and Esco, and Esco girlfriend. I remember saying Esco don't know this, you know. Let me tell you how that girl a blood clot wicked. Shana Chin, you see them. Them burn anybody for anything. Them not no soul. Anyway, the hype there, cause she see the little hype on cousin, you know. And government was fuck her, you know. That she see, you know, anything for the hype and the fame of Shana Chinda. She knew what she do, you know, but me never come talk. I think I tell Spice about it, and I tell stations. And I tell my next friend Terry, we do nails. Them know about it. Tanis know about it. Couple of my friends them know about it.
Yeah.
Remember, she come round me have a brethren come from Finland. I show you that girl here one wicked blood clot girl. You know me not come make up nothing and bring down nobody, come and bring down people. And guess what? Don't hate her ways. And she need to change. We have a brethren come from Finland. My vice feel introduce him to Esco. Him start going to Esco studio because Esco are good. You can say Esco are the type of youth him love music. If my fucker you call him and say yo, come do this and I go music, he might come and fight. If he must sleep, but you wake him up, he might come out and sleep. Right. So you stay that how much him love music. Left side of Esco. That Esco there. You know what I'm saying? My brethren come from Finland and she gets to come on in the studio and see my brethren. Normally, when we're brethren and then I cook over the condo, Esco get the condo in the condo fee man thing. Cause more 1 minute them are kind of busy. So Esco, you know, Esco deal with it. So Esco deal with the condo, everything, and me introduce him to my team. Esco take Chanik, everybody were around me. But my friend met me meet him because I got my friend yard in a COVID and we were around the pool side and I suck on me meet him. Right. And my friend I tell him say, yo, she artist in her thing tough, you know.
My people, you see this thing called life? It's a game and it's not a game. It's how you play the game. You know what I mean? I go result you. Me nah say a lot of people no get dealt a bad hand in life, you know. You see me for no reason. But you see some of the time how you play the game make you either be successful or you get F in a life. See, enough people, them main focus is success. Them no think about like people feelings and nothing bad with them other people because they want to achieve the success and them don't know say you will get success but it don't last. And based on the person that you is success I go either stay with you or just, you know what I mean, come and go. You see me? So you have to know what you have to be careful. You know play with people certain way. You know put like vanity, success, money, you know what I mean, them type of things are over human being. Try to be like as good to a person as all they are to you. Match people energy. That's all me have to say.
And the dog voice me a 3 song voice for the dog. You don't know so China Chin come around. All of a sudden the man start move away. The man no want to come around him again. China Chin just take over the dog. And I tell the dog, say, if you don't me could come at the condo, the dog, nah, me could come at the condo, me nah, Esco. I remember my virgin, you know, she just come at the studio, come meet the dog, you know, and chew the dog, why she think the dog have money, you know. I want to hear me say to you.
What you say?
She start got the condo now, so she start drive the Benz now, and hide the Benz underneath the thing. Under the place, start hide the Benz. So the eye she start hide the Benz, so she start go over the dog and start cook, come like she want her friend go over the dog and give the dog some pussy or something. And the dog sleep and she asleep, but she don't know nothing about the dog. Yeah. Me and Esca want to say, oh, the dog start move sideways. Right. But me don't really watch that because some stay. Me not afraid for lose nobody if you really will come back. I saw me live my life. Me not afraid for lose people. Because at the end of the day, when death come and steal your loved ones away, you have to live with it. So we will live like your blood clot dead. If you feel like this, me feel like done with you. Me will live like you're dead. Because you see when death come and steal your loved ones away, you have to live without that lifetime. From me 10 more dead. So I'm not afraid to live without nobody. Me said the girl go there and the girl asleep with the man start move sideways because she tell the man things now and I go on now and I do the thing them now. Because she come in like she rich, you know. That's so she play, you know. Come in like she rich. And when she come in like she rich, she just start take away everything from you.
Oh.
She the type of person that wants you to see a look hype on you.
Yeah.
And that she do. So she go around the dog. And the dog she asleep. And the dog asleep and thing like the dog wake up.
Yeah.
The dog paranoid, you know. The dog paranoid. The dog wake up and start beat out her blood clot with the pillar. What you doing in here? What you doing in here? What you doing in here? And start beat her. A sunny blood clot girl catch her covered. And start go around the man. And then him just change.
A lie.
I beat the man beat out her blood clot. I really love me a Esco show the girl and the girl come round come burn everything. She the girl yo me have a song me show them love. She not even know say that song there do for she. The song I say, but what don't kill you, I go make you stronger. That's why me no show none of them no anger. What don't kill you, I go make you stronger. The rope where you hang them, it just get longer.
A corruption.
Yo, the girl are more than blood clot corruption. Me hear Kartel say she want and Charlie's angel. Me pray to God she want real angel for true. And me pray to God the dog change her.
Yo, I don't know how the man, yo.
Kartel say she want them Charlie's angel. And me pray to God for true. She change and she be one angel for true. The girl go behind my back and link up my link. Behind my back. And I tell me link, so my link for send for her. And she hear her now, Pamputi a good girl and I never see her running for my link yet. You know, so oh you never see that yet and me a good girl. And you still a running for my link. And I tell my link for send for you. And I look my link.
You should have shame for y'all say that.
You should have shame for say that you tell the dog say Pamputi a good girl. Oh, you left from Jew. For them little money and start fuck your bitch. And you have such a stiff titty, a cute face. Yo, me the affita. Okay, you know why? One of my friend called me this morning. And my friend said to me, say, she feels sorry for her. Me say, yo, you can't sorry for people when they're sorry for themselves.
Right.
I want to know one pretty little witch. I want pretty little witch. Them fuck so much and contain and get so many evil demon spirit in them soul upon them. I be of ukubus and succubus spirit upon them. Cause them fuck so much and fuck all different type of man. And all of the man when they lay down with somebody, you know, them left a spirit by you know. I wonder if you know that.
Yeah.
I wonder if you know that when they lay down with somebody, them left a spirit. Oh, you for there in a Joe corner. Benz your drive. Brother, I have to share this with my platform. I have to share it.
Can't believe that.
Jana she don't have no soul, and guess what? I don't hate her. I don't hate her ways. I just block her and she know. She know what she do. She know what she do. Yo, them girls, them come around you and say and them a virgin. And see all you have the next virgin you have money more than you and just switch up. And God to the next virgin never up where they more and deal with it like you and them never was no friend.
Right.
You come see my virgin from Finland and she just running for my virgin.
But what me I say? Them a do them something and then can't better.
And then me I try show you them now go better. Them a go stay, them matter how much help them get because them now no soul. And if them not change, them a go get what they don't get.
Jesus, please. Listen, when I hear the little man, I see a man pass some screen record and chat, someone sit me and say,
yo, for your woman, you know when I heard about our son. You have a son.
Yeah, but if
you have a son, girl, come on, girl. None of we not perfect, but you can leg us certain vibes and leg us certain behavior. Yo, shall I tell all the man some love you in the studio with the artist, you ever up on the phone, video call, me love that boy, yo. You ever depend the phone with Pampute, Ray, and you go behind my back after me I try make you get a food for vice. Right. And you go behind my back. And I tell my link for send for you. And my link for send for Esco. That's what you do. You build problems between me and Esco. Because the dog don't know nothing about what you do. And you make rules and I make an layout what you want. And I go like Esco plan with you.
But then some of them dangerous, you know? A dangerous game shot.
Mama tell you this, dog. Once you do the right thing, you can't go wrong. All one time, people make it seems like a bad thing you do. Once you do the right thing, you can't go wrong. God nah left you in the hole. God nah make no shame and disgrace for you. No care what people try. You're welcome to that. Do what you're doing.
Okay, thank you.
You don't hear me? I tell you, dog. The girl one demon. When I say demon, China China, I say when Kartel says she want to have Charlie's angel. Me pray say, Father God, make sure change. I hope I change Kartel and change her. For me when I'm Charlie's angel, can I get in no soul? That girl, I want a demon. Yeah, they run them certain people, a beer thing start to reach out because them not no soul. Them no easy. She no easy.
People like them, they can't change.
When him say she want him Charlie's angel, me say, Father God, make sure I change. Because one day if this man knows that this girl ain't no soul.
So who am I?
Real somebody for their own. And a real somebody for having in your corner, she not no soul. It's a girl who come in nice. Like, cause she don't mean. Don't get me wrong, she don't mean.
Right.
She come in nice and good. Like I remember saying, the devil was once an angel, them saying,
Right.
The devil was once an angel. She come in like an angel. But you get to see one devil. Look here. We sensible woman are really see Gulliver. We're pretty song or kiss Gulliver and make up. Tell the truth. I'm not hype and fame and money you do that for.
Well, bye.
Alright people, so the saying what them say, I know every smile is a smile or any laugh is a laugh, something like that, you know what I mean? You have to be careful, people come around you with them nice self and them pretty smile and them just a feel you out, you know what I mean? If drag you down in the mud or if take what you have or, you know what I mean? If just do away with you, so you have to be careful, because enough of the time the people them will get hurt, and the people them closest to them, you see me, because you know, expect the person closest to you for do anything, you know what I mean? Be careful, my people. And Shana Chin, she a build a really F up reputation for herself, you know what I mean? And some of the time of them people here where you see the wickedest thing, you know, and the evil and sitting, you know, at them last the longest, you know, pan land, you know. Yeah man, enough time you see these type of people, man, them last the longest, man. You understand? Yeah, me not say she not feel last long, you know. But me just say, you see, the good people them always fade away from early out. You see me? So, let me know what you think, my people. I go watch some more, then we move on.
Yo, see,
Come like I sell your soul. What, yo, you think she don't regret that? She regret that blood clot. Not even my dog. Mother want to fuck Shana Chin and kiss Shana Chin. Not even a dog would sleep. I'm not telling you about no good nice dog. When I talk about my mongrel dog, them will love me. When me ever feed. Not even one of them would want to fuck Shana Chin. When me hear Kartel say she am Charlie's angel. Yes, I hope I change this woman, I change. I hope Addy can change her for true. Because people can change, you know.
Gully Bob.
You regret it. By kissing Gully Bop and fuck Gully Bop, this girl regret it, dog. Because what? You not selling her soul because hype and money and fame.
Yo, I see the girl on stage.
Hype and money and you see cuz, and you feel like say, look at hype their own cuz here for fuck cuz. Bitch, you have your son. Cause put respect for your son thing. You can't make your son out there and you do all of them thing there. Me don't know if you not look up and pick them thing.
You remember when she come on stage a ball for Gully Bop? I nearly dead. Mrs. Money can ball for the Bop?
No. I introduced the girl to my link and the girl go behind me back. And I want him to tell Shana Chin, you could have blood clot with me. And when you teach them stiff for your body cock up so. And your face pretty, you can't win Pampute. Cause street creditor when me have.
Yeah.
My name popular. And my face may be popular, but the pussy are popular and the mouth are popular.
Yeah.
You could win me when you go behind my back and link up my link. You could win me, no time, girl. You could win. I just, you care, I not drink my porridge when it's hot or my soup when it's hot, I wait when it's cool. Bitch, you could win me, but you could have cock up so. When you bend back here, at the same back here, I bend a cock up too. I have some girl, them shape bad, but when them bend back here, them effective.
Yeah, fully.
Them not shape, but when them bend back here, them back way effective no blood clot. Yeah. So all who feel like them have shape and want to take people man alive not tell. Who could have the biggest shape on a can't win. Uno cannot win. Because you don't have no street credit, you don't have no reputation. You could win from Pute. Your face could have pretty little more, you could have the best shape. You kiss Colibab for fame. You kiss Gollibab for fame. You fuck Gollibab for fame. And hype. You sell your soul when you go down to Gollibab level. You sell your soul and it aunt you know what it takes to gain the world and lose your soul. And that's how you do Shana Chin. When Kartel say you're Charlie's angel, I wonder what the man do to himself. Me say Father God fix him type don't know what him a do. The man know what him say. When him say Shana Chin, I want him Charlie's angel.
Him don't know what him do for true.
Him don't know what him do. I mean I tell him no. Somebody wanna tag Kartel and tell him that girl ain't no soul. Them do anything for fame and money. Them do anything for hype. You have no soul the girl not have. Me say the girl go behind my back. Link up my link and I tell me link for Cynthia.
The nurse whore. I hope you don't say nothing now when me come out and say something because you see what day when you come out on me not gonna say nothing. Me am go say two something for me live and me done. Me no make no video for you and them there. And me see you come out come make many and we not do nothing. We and you not have nothing. So now when me see all those a tumble down on your boy, you go sue. Can't sue man for the underneath. Should have shame. Should have shame. Blood clam. Blood nurse. Nurse war. TikTok I used to call it back so. Thank you, Satya. He's a nurse war. TikTok I used to call it back sore, but he's a nurse war. If you hadn't talk about A, $10,000 for buy the negative. $10,000 fucking buy and you not get it. You make a fucking whore. Tell me now. Elaine?
So, me share with you guys in the video before this one scene with the same man where Dana talk about and I done. You see me link up with Rosealee and I tell Rosealee everything where the next one will him help out with the money do to him. You see me I say, me see the next one on a screen recording where I say if we give this money some FUCK if I that him want and rate one bag of something people me I say Jano Star yo look where them thing you come to man, look where man and man come to. People, first time a man I do them thing and them now make nobody know them so them hide them dirty lifestyle one place, you know. You know what I mean? No it's different. You know what I mean? The man them a talk like say them a woman certain way me I say Jano Star, but you know what I mean, eventually it did reach out that way because remember you know things evolve, you know. And when I dark have to come in the light. You see it. But me this man take up for him how much $1,000 get to somebody where him not sure him I go get back him money from. You know what I mean? Well you wrong sir. You know what I mean? Yeah, you wrong. Let me know what I think, my people. I watch some more.
You look clean down. Well, who you love, you know. Tiki love Trev. And Tiki don't care when nobody wants to say Tiki love Trev company, love they run him. And him don't care when you want to live in. And then he come out and say, oh, me and Tiki's friend. I rented an apartment for him. We live close by. Never work. You didn't want him to come live with you. Go away. Nurse Brown, Nurse Brown, Nurse Brown. Nurse whore, Nurse whore, Nurse whore. I buy fuck for $10,000. What a blood clot risk you run. When I tell them I say 15. First let me say 5,000. Me not tell a lie still tick you should I give him a little piece, cause when nobody never did it, him did it. He not forget none of blood clot. Him for go too enough. Ticky say, nah, cause him still, cause he must remember kindness no matter what. But guess what I don't know about Ticky now? If he make one more video again, I'm gonna lie about Ticky, I cuss out him blood clot, cause I say, you come the first time, I'm gonna answer. And you come back again, I'm gonna answer next time. Cause people are going to constantly to say, you know, hear things somewhere over there, you know, hear, and that I will get on the nerve, and then I'm going to answer. Eh? He can't do them when Nurse Brown buy, where me that sell in a bag. And when he eat them, Mr. Crab, lobster, shrimp. But him no call him in name where in a bag, you know. He said the one here TikTok lawyer. The one here Dan. Almost a whole bag of sweet here TikTok lawyer and Dan. Be a word him a drop. And me just sit down and me a laugh and me a say, boy, Father God. Sometimes you run from problem and problem come. So you see, you will get look at what left, yes, but he not go just come a foreign and make you christen him body first. No. So now we go meet a lover in life, which is Trev. Then you start get jealous because you want to know if him and him there, if him and him there. And you constantly tell us, no, they're a business partner. Chima tell us them a business partner. But Tiki I next one too. Not now hide on the internet. So when you tell the man so that business partner when everything they on you blush on the internet. You do everything on the internet where people say, ratted Tiki in love. So when he asks you now, after I see what go on the internet, you go put him in a rage. Too cute, too sweet. You go put him in a rage because I'm going to say, I know that he's on the internet where you tell him, Mary, Saint Mary. People. Why me not tell a lie, still we live in a one crazy world, you know. Me say, I never know. Me say, me tell you no say. The first thing when I see on TikTok when I never see in my life, something when I see on TikTok will never come out of my head. I see a woman I tell a man for cussing mama like dog. And bring down him mama to his ground, tell him mama saying so cool him pussy big all of them sitting there. A TikTok me can see that pan. A TikTok me can see a man. It a put out in life for another man to get half a man when I want him. Normally, me don't know say man that do that with girl. I give girl them money for get, and the girl don't give them no fuck. But me never know say man do them sitting there too. So, TikTok make you learn a lot. TikTok make you know say The IT-tighty people, them where you see come on TikTok and board, them a speaky spooky. Them a dog. Then say, show me your company. 13 rows, 13 different person. Then say, show me your company, tell you who you are. And you remember when he just come on TikTok? When he sit down in the box, him not talk. You know why? Train him a training, the pan training. In the pan training. So because in the pan training, guys, more want 4 more rows or 5 more rows. Me not get it. I don't even know. True in the pan training. He go like he couldn't mash hands. So he sit down in a box of a big yard and I take in everything. I watch one we want go for. Who for yard he want go. Who we want go meet. Who we want act like him and them a bestie. And then he chat them behind them back. But here what me notice with them. Let me tell you something what me notice with them. Well, you should understand fine in the first place. You see when this something did happen over blinga, with blinga and RT did start in fuck over there. Him and blinga never have nothing, you know. And him did choose a side and start.
Alright, my people, so you don't know which part of a big yard, right? Over blinga name big yard. So my people, boy, them thing you never know me they go see man attack them type of way over next man and rape. All the people they were changing, me not lie. And they not change back to where we did know it as it go get worse and worse. You know what I mean? And the other day me see a thing on Instagram I believe where them a say boy a computer or several computers calculate when the world I go end. You see me I say, and it shows say a billion year, like point at billion. I remember if I 1 or more billion year before the world, you know what I mean, end. And we been hearing from where look youth, you see me, the pastor them say, boy, the Almighty will come tomorrow, ray, Armageddon, ray, this and that. You know what I mean? There's nobody gonna come from the sky, my people, and come down and say this a judgment day. The world are gonna end when all of the pollution them and all of the resource where the earth give to us dry up and we damage the earth and the earth just, you know what I mean? Yeah, we can't live on it no more. You understand? You never watch some show like all Mad Max and them show the way the desert, where them living at the desert and them something there. Yeah, I saw it a go my people. Let me know what you think. I watch some more.
Throw shade pan her. And you see after him done throw shade pan her, he go back in a little corner because he say it no work for him. And him say, oh, me love Miss Blinga. Me like Miss Blinga. And he go on with himself. And he made that take up for RT. You see when RT run when blood clot out of box and dig up him body all over there. Blood clot him frighten you fuck. Because the RT side him did take. Because anywhere you see fish there, and then swim, him attracted to fish. Him is a shark. Yeah. And when RT dip up on them blood clot, because RT find out say him is a 2-mouth cutlass. Him mouth can't stay up, that's why him bottom lip bigger than the top lip. Yeah. Yeah. RT right off him blood clot. You see him go in a box. RT did, what you call him? Me did make one video for it. Nurse whore, me a talk. Not brown whore. I truth. Yeah. And me I tell you, after RT write him off now, like him have to go back in him blood clot book now. And start think now who our next victim. And he come over here, can you see look sitting over here. He jump off a TikTok liar. For no reason. And she said that no work. Alright. He left again. Let me tell you how he stay. You see anybody and him chat? So say for instance, we over here, say 5 are we in a group. And we over here we are chat. The backla water. You see anytime him and nobody have any little thing in our box, he go friend up with backla water. And tell the backla water say, yo, he not tell him say 5 are we that chat. He water, you know, in pick out the one somebody. And like I say, when you gonna do that for now? Uno more just barely meet, you know. Uno more just barely meet. And then go tell somebody what you da say about them. So you stay.
We don't go the way. Oh. Oh. Oh, come on, man, some of you go. Oh, do get some more charge? Come. The glass. Nothing after. Hi. So, what is it, man? Put my charger now. Charger so I can plug in the phone in a car. Okay. So everybody good? Alright, my son, what charge? Jaga, you come? Alright, Jaga, come. Jaga is coming. Oh my God. Jaga, okay, I'm going to Kingston. My security. I feel my security lock. What? Hold on. You want care phone for me?
No, my mama tell me I do my vlog.
So you can't get scared of something for me? No, you don't want to pay me?
Mom, you don't give me a big old bag from my back right now.
But I thought you guys was taking care of me. Remember, I'm far away from home.
Tell them to make a new video today.
Guys, Mika Boo says she'll drop a new video today. So if you can pick her up, run go over YouTube and grab her video.
You already have me.
You good? Me good, me if you take time. But if I watch your phone now, because I don't want to drop. I like this stuff, guys. Get it.
You can't make me a you can't make me a live good for one day. This man is carrying a piece to tell me you have to come here and come show me. And all of them sitting here.
Hey, if you don't laugh off of me, I have ginger toe. I have ginger toe, okay? Don't laugh off of me. Okay? We're supposed to be bestie. All if you don't look good, say look good. See you guys.
You know when we give this like you want me coming like that.
You buy me this? You know, this one I like. I don't like a bag of eyes them watch now. Bag of girl and them someday. Boy, I mean, I know Jamaican people stay so I go right to police station and go turn up because I can't take it. Where you say?
Oi!
Good yourself. Yeah, girl. I don't like my girl like they don't have sense, you know. I turn up right just a little bit. And girl a fool your fudge. Go on, baby. I saw you think set, man. Yes, see them. Be nice, them and make your back food.
We have to go down and other part because this one now.
No, guys, you're not gonna make it. You're gonna tear me up. Jabas, no. Jabas, gonna tear me up. No. No. Alright, make you send it back. Make you send it back. Tell me send it back. Winji, up your sawa, one cafe? Can I sing up your set local?
Yeah.
I want restaurant?
Yes, restaurant.
Alright, go on and come. I do up the sawa, yeah? I don't want to walk up and down.
Welcome, babe.
Welcome, babe. May I come your job? May I cross the road?
Look up and down, baby. Look up and down before you cross it.
Jabas, what's up?
But there, baby, no, me get one dream with you last night.
A lie.
Yeah, but a good
Tell me
dream, man. A
about
good
it.
dream. A good dream. A good dream.
Thank God. You want to tell
Yes,
me?
my dream on me. Yeah, my dream on me a kiss.
Guys.
Alright, people. So, tell me what you think, see, about this whole relationship with Annie and this youth here have. Because remember, you know, yesterday we see them at it, you know. Yesterday them did a cuss and you know. And today Annie a guy me had go link him. And me remember if in that video, yeah, or the one before this one I upload, where Annie must invite the youth and me yard, or some I must see yesterday or whatever, where Annie invite the youth or fear yard, like them must did a play a match, and if Annie win, him got Annie yard, if Annie lose, Annie got female yard. Seen? And as far as we see the people, would advise him to go Annie yard, none at all. Annie ex live right beside where she live, right beside her, and that man is a madman. So me I say anything can happen at any time. So would advise him to go Annie yard, none at all. Big man thing make Annie come a female yard. So me I say yeah.
Don't laugh. Jabas.
Eh?
They say it's a good dream. It's a good
Yes,
dream.
my dream on me, they put one piece of suck out tongue.
A lie, French kissing.
Yeah, I'm put tiki here, so you put it back here, so.
Wake up. Wake up, it's just a dream.
Yes, me wake up already, man. I say me I can't tell you this.
What kind of sign that? Me forgot buy a cash pot?
No, man. Where you go?
Jesus. One life disturb. Hold on, guys. Hold on, my phone lick over and there's something there. Oh, Jabba, can you hear me?
Yeah, where you go?
Oh, I'm going to Kingston.
Oh, you go buy food or something?
Yeah. May I buy some food to stock out the shop?
Oh. Go on to your son, you alright?
Yeah, in good money up a yard. He might take care of your place till I come.
Make him go and run off him, man.
Yeah.
So, I'm not afraid to go up and.
Eh?
Yeah? I'm not afraid to go up and. I'm not afraid to go up and.
Oh, no. I think it's too late. I'm going to just take. Not to talk on the live, but I take it quickest way through.
Yeah. Make your boy fix the car so your boy can come for you. A hot girl, you look good, you know, if you walk on a blood clot road sign. You're a hot girl, you shape good and you look nice. A car, if you come pick you up on the AC, you carry back on the tool, cool. How would that back at you? If you look back at you when you sit down in the crowd, you know.
Yeah, but I make him fix the car for choke. God no, me deserve that.
Make them say, yes, fix mankind. So make it anytime you go up there, I'm come for you.
So Jabaz, me know they say me a hypocrite, but you don't know say Jagger and him baby mother gamba. I don't miss that. I don't miss that. I swear.
Look at me don't know so that married. He just feel like he wants some new pussy and he no work out. Cause he baby mother one tighter than the side chick one.
Quick.
So he feel like say
he no spend no time in gamba man.
Because he realize that the whole day enough him. Wrong whole lot thing going now. Yes. So me glad say take me advice. Cause me tell him yesterday say if you go back to them. Cause me tell him say boy they already take me advice, you know.
Him take your advice, Jagger. Him take your
yes.
Jabaz, him take your advice.
Me tell him yesterday say me say go back to your baby mother you. The matter but me can't bother. Me say go back to your baby mother.
Especially part where tell him about the kids them and the home.
Yes.
I'm not sure the baby mother safe. Him take your advice on it, man.
Pastor and Prophet not see this. Leave me church alone, man. Exactly, it's my life. It's not about it's they will make it seem as if the church can control what I do. It's my life. Me just know say if me act out a character, I could simply come and say, you know, say me I go to the church and me have to represent my church, so me can't act out a character. But I do fall short of God's glory. So in this situation where I'm right now, no, you're not gonna feel pleased. But that no mean say you can't me go stop feel the way I feel and talk out and defend myself and put people in them place. You get what me say, chat? When I get what me say? When I leave my pastor and prophet alone. Leave my pastor and prophet alone. Leave them up. Them not have nothing to do with my wrongdoings. They have nothing to do with Denny wrongdoings. They have nothing to do with it. They can just pray for me as a church. They could just pray for me and say, Sister Rochelle, you're going through a lot right now. And me just hope and pray God take you through it. But make sure, remember you have 2 children. We are depend upon you. So you have to be strong and don't dwell upon those things because them are going to drain your energy. That's it. And that's how it's supposed to be. But uno know this, and I just uno Jamaican, uno just too holy, man. Uno so holy, everything, no Christian, everything, uno blame on Shoshana Christian.
Well, Rochelle, you can't blame the people them for say what them say. Because once you take on the name of the Almighty, you're a different person, you're a new man, you know what I mean? All things are passed away and everything become new, you know what I mean? So right away you represent the Almighty and His righteousness. You can't be like the world, you understand? So you have to separate yourself from the world and you have to set an example. So if the people them see you and set that example, although you're a human being, but you still have to hold your composure and you still have to remember say you represent a higher power than you. You know what I mean? And you set that example if other people can see your struggles where you go through and how you handle it as a child of the Almighty. And them want to do the same. You can't act out a character and act like you and the rest of the world are the same thing. You have to be different. That you have to face sufferation when you do them something there. So your character and how you act on something, you know, set a good example for people follow. Simple as that. You know what I mean? No disrespect, but a real thing.
Pastor and prophet, everything on to blame the people, the church. What does the church have to do with me speaking out on my situation? Leave my pastor and prophet out of it. There's nothing to do with it. This is my life. I'm going to speak till me feel better. So you know, if you feel like me I crash out and the man hate me, I care zero what I want to say. He's supposed to hate me. Because when I put down my foot and him and his family cannot use me no more. So them supposed to hate me. It's supposed to reach that so.
Leave my pastor and my prophet alone, man. You see, one day, me know God. Me know God. Me wonder if me not have no moderator over here, star. I'm going to go and talk to me, I'm not care what I want to say, because I'm not the least of my power. Just come to talk my mind. All I'm going to do is scream my card and chat off on the mouth, because that's all I can do. Type. Because one is one big typer. And it's crazy what that alone I can do. Type. Well, and I make chosen battle. Let me see if I see a moderator over here where I know. Guys, on the top about mad me. You see, moderator can do a lot of damage to your page. Yeah? So, I know some mad go. I can't just mad anybody. So, anybody who have a problem with me, you know, I have to take that out. As long as TikTok not locked down, I go always see Rochelle. When I can't see me, when I tired of me on the For You page, you have the option for scroll past me, and not scroll past. When I live under the comments them, morning, noon, and night, me hate the girl, can't stand her. Don't know no. Why me done my situation? Me never see this from a band. Alright, sister, me just see you. Hold on. I'm gonna put on chosen now. Me not ever tell you no to ease up off of me, because you don't know how to do that. Them hate me and still I watch. Everywhere they see me, they comment. Oh, me not understand. Leave that, leave me, you can't bring me down all on the walk. I not care. But leave my pastor and my prophet name. Leave them alone. Leave them alone. They has nothing to do with any wrongdoings I'm doing. They have nothing to do with anything. Why every time when you see me do something when I attack the people them? Like me and them, they don't live here. I live in Atlanta. I live by myself with 2 children. Me alone in the house here. So when you want me sit down, battle up everything inside. See in-law come out, I said the most things about me. If you sit down in the house when I live by myself and build up everything inside, because I say, oh, I'm a Christian, I'm not going to address anything. While me there woman stress out, I lie when I tell. I lie when I tell. Lie. I say I lie like sure. I don't lie like sure. Okay. And even God himself get upset. Not because I fall short of God glory and I put people in them place. That doesn't mean, oh, I don't know God. Where your pastor and prophet if you control her. What? Hi, sis. I literally live by myself. I have nobody. The only person I have right is Kayla. Kayla work. Kayla have a life. I have to get up every day and be a mother for my kids them. So I cannot sit and allow people to tear me down every day, and sit down and take it. All these years, I've been a sit down and take it. Now is the time I finally talk out. Everybody have the most to say now. And it's same people, them call me mascot, yam ding dong, yam head, yam this, yam that. Yam idiot, yam fool. Now I finally put on my foot attack. Everybody still have an issue. I stay, uno cuss me. Me decide to me I left, uno a cuss me. Uno a say a lie, me a tell. Me can't please uno say right now me a do me. Can't please uno. I cannot please uno. So me have to please myself. Because the same people them were rude for me about pink ear, blue ear. Pink ear, blue ear. By the time I look at something I want to see man bring me down again. This internet is undefeated. So anyone to take it this moment on a road for somebody, next minute I want to see man I gonna bring me down again. But they will never give me a break, because you see, once a person hate you, even if you're doing good in their eyesight, you will never do anything good in their sight. They will always hate me. And that's okay, because I have people who love me already. I have people who love me, and everybody are gonna like me, and that's fine. So that's why you see, and you see when it comes down to Rochelle saga, everybody are gonna say, this is my 1 cent, my 2 cents on Rochelle and Denier saga. Be honest, everybody are gonna make video. And when it comes down to my ex-friends, that's the thing. Everybody, once a Rochelle name call, everybody are gonna jump on Rochelle name. Everybody are gonna jump on Rochelle and Denier saga because it brings views, it brings the clout, it me over one marriage when me did in and me a talk about. Make it make sense. How can you hate me because of my situation, my life? But you know why I blame myself? Let me be honest with you. You know why I blame myself? I know where the hate really comes. Let me tell you why. Because I come defend him, say, if you leave him alone when it was wrong to do. It was very much wrong to do. So a lot of females was really disappointed because me really defend my man would do that to me and I deserve better. So that's where the hate started build from. And that's where the hate start build up from. So me lose a lot of respect for a lot of females who really defend themselves, have self-worth and self-values and say, yo, Jano, Rochelle, you should have left. You should have left. And I get it. But everybody left when they wanted to. There's no way you could have tell me when to stay and when to go. You get what I say?
Well, my people, me kind of understand where Rochelle come from, being that she's alone, where she's at, she not nobody fi call over. I don't know if she have friends and them something they wish for she and them with it, but what she has say, she been by herself in the house and I go through, she have to come on the internet and vent about the situation and and you see the internet is a mess up place. You know what I mean? Because them love the entertainment more than the truth. So if the lie is more entertaining, them are gonna follow the lies. You understand? So right away, there's nothing you can say or do to convince the internet to be on your side. You have to just know, say, whatever you come to the internet with, you are gonna get backlash. Because even if majority of the people them side with you, you know what I mean? You're gonna have a couple people who are gonna bash you. You understand what I say? So, me kind of understand what she say, but then again, you are a child of the Almighty. You have to move different, same way. You see me, you have to understand them type of thing there, and know, say, yo, you're different, you're not just a normal person, right? So, let me know what I think, me people. You watch a bit more, and then we are going.
So this is where a lot of hate come from. So right now, when me put on my foot now, that is where a lot of the females them say, yes, Rochelle, finally. No man, when you're disappointed in somebody, is different from you bringing down a female because the person forgive a person. Of course, the hate was real. When you're in a one box, I bring me down, you hate me, you start have the most to say about me. But no one could have forced me until I was ready to leave. So anyways, all I'm saying is, what I am going through has nothing to do with my church. Just leave my pastor and my prophet out of it. Because they have nothing to do with it. And they're the sweetest person ever. You know, like you have so much people in your corner where you tear you down, and the only person you have in your corner is 2 people who knows God, who's living their truth for God. And for sister, because every time I do something, when I involve them in there, I don't like it. I'm pretty sure they don't like it either. When you not tag up them name, just leave them out of it. Them very much innocent in this situation.